So as you can see, this door on this fridge has dropped, and as soon as they open it, it's falling off and there's a part missing because it fell out and it had to be put back. Now usually it's the bottom pin down here, like a metal hinge, and that's usually bent down because they've been leaning on it. It's bent down and it pops out. So I'll lift it up into a position where we can see and try and fix it by bending it back up or bending it straight. So I've got the little plastic piece in. I'm just going to bend this top up a bit so it slots in, and then have a look at the bottom joint. So I'll lift the fridge up and show you then. Actually, it looks like this one's straight. It just looks like the pin has come out. So normally I would just lift the door up like that and then straighten this bar, but it looks straight already, so it looks like I'm going to have to pull the pin out and re-push it through. It probably weren't fitted properly, so someone probably bought this as a manufacturer defect fridge. But this could be out of shape as well and not holding it up. But I'll strip it out and have a look. But normally I would just bend that up and it would hold the door in position. But this one needs a bit more work, so